I heard something. What did you hear?
I'm the sick type, spitting with the slickest flow. Press heated up blades real slow to your ventricle. Eccentric? No. Better not test me though, beat half of you with the other half to make you symmetrical. Lo and behold, I'm from a whole different mold. Ice cold, making you fool with the stories I've told. Call me cynical, but nothing short of a miracle. Ever will have a Scottish MC, ever spitting a syllable quite as ill as a spirit. So best to your pitiful, belittled and brittle. Show before I split it and slit it slow. Ha ha ha, what the fuck am I laughing at? I'm a rapid cat with a fat rat trapped in my habitat. No escape, game over, could you ever imagine that? Bring them down to earth screaming like a cancerous acrobat. I'm no badgering you, I'm eating your life force as I take part in big punches, beating your white clothes while I'm leaking through night strokes. Weakened advice goes over my head and shoulders. I might fight or I might no. There's no telling me, you'll never get through to me. I hate most MCs, then they'll feel you're soothing me. Sitting by the shitty pitiful, lack a syllable, simple flow that you dolly dimple, gimp blowing shrimps exhibit. So back in the mix with a bag full of tricks. Your whole style's out like a transparent girl's test. When I'm at my best, I'm being a pest and jest. My style's like dipping your testicles in a hornet's nest. How's that for a buzz? I'm harming harmony, never get far from me. I'm using your harmony, Robin Hood's using archery. Master of anarchy, you need lightning rods and a storm if you're thinking of starting me. It's rude to rip simpletons, but fuck it, needs must. Talking so much shit that when you breathe your teeth duck.
Why the long face, you're as dry as a bong taste. I'm just trying to conversate when they're guy in the wrong place. Can't figure half you people, you're constantly miserable. I'm the one that's stuck to a discriminative label. Due to the nature of my crimes, I find that music is soothing. Live in an area so small that there's no room for improvement. Either abused or abusing, neither refused or refusing. Cause anything goes with friends and foes are so confused, it's confusing. I'm gonna do this how it should have been done right for the very start. Taking care of business, just me and my pen to death is part. When it's dark I shatter the dreams of the men who love the light. Always aware, forever prepared for another nutty night. I keep a bloody mic as proof of my struggle and fight for rugged rights. There's no other kind when you live a gutter life. When murder sites are sick celebrations and I'm narrating them. Jails I'm escaping them, saviours I'm underrating them. Tales I'm explaining them, heats I'm assaulting craniums. I'll always feel I've lots to achieve till I'm rocking stadiums. When indeed I'll haunt palladiums and spook everybody that's present after being gunned down on the street at the curve of my crescent. Fuck a rant and rhyme, a narrow line between heaven and here. Those that live in fear must be the only ones living sincere. My words are all they give me respect for inside the hell I roam. You'll never catch me being as candid over a telephone. Pen a poem, write a ramble out for the wine and a habble. Born to recline in the saddle, had me, I'm changing the channel, undefeatable. Even still I speak your muted mind with unbelievable accuracy every abuse of time. Plenty of freaks where the streets flow with pretend tears. Cunts that have been telling the same stories for 10 years. The rest of short memories, fuckies all when they follow any. You should know even what they are calling enemies.